So now let's see how we can work around with shortwave radio and small room effect inside of HitFilm. So if I were to press the play button right here, this is the audio that you hear. But let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in shortwave radio effect to it. So to do that, I'm going to go under effects right here, and then I'm going to expand out the audio folder. And over here, you can see that shortwave radio is in effect. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out, then the effect is applied. And if I were to press the play button, you can see you can hear out the bass more. You can go around and change around the gain to change around the volume, and that is what you have right here. So that is the shortwave radio. So now if I were to press the play button right here, this audio is normal right now. And what you can also do is you can add in a small room effect for a bit of a reverb. So there's a tiny bit of a reverb that is added in as you add in the small room effect. That is because like it plays in a very small room right here. So unlike large room and medium room, there is very tiny bit of reverb that is added in. And that is how you can work around with shortwave radio and small room effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.